Here on the Citroen stand at Brussels Motor Show 2026, and we're with the Concept ELO that was released a couple of weeks ago. So, partnership with Decathlon. You can see that single pane front windscreen, all about cost saving. We're looking for this. Is this the Concept E2CV that we're going to be seeing at some stage? Got that large illuminated Citroen badge with those 3-point, 1, 2, 3-pointed Citroen, which is now, you can see that down underneath, is very much kind of a composite material that's being used. Hexagonal or hive-like wheels. Concept car ELO. Lots of glass in it. It's only actually the same length as a Mini, but look at the size of it. Because the wheels are pushed right out to the end. So when you look at this, you can comfortably fit 5 people. You'd wonder about the traditional way of doing building cars, etc. So price point, they're looking for this when it does come to market between 20 and 23,000 euros. Radical weight saving, honeycomb cardboard for the flat roof. Optimize the right size battery, so it's very much 40 kilowatt hour for about 320 kilometers. According to weight, it's going to be less than 1,000 kgs. You can see Decathlon there is referenced in the back. We've got that flying tail lights that we would have had on the EC5 Aircross. Some time points down at the end. Absolutely gorgeous. Colour as well. And you can see that's not a symmetrical door, that's a much wider door. It's a 60-40 on it. And then the doors swing out. And so you've got a central positioned driver seat and then 3 passengers behind them. Something totally, absolutely great space, great utilization of space. Citroen are always breaking the mold when it comes to something like this. 3 in the back, 1 in the front. You can see just pop-off door bits, attachments, all about that sustainability, all about utilizing fabrics that are always there, all about that circular economy. That is the Citroen ELO first look at Brussels Motor Show 2026. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me in a review. Thank you very much for watching.